Hello everyone, welcome back to Radiology Med Easy, your all-time favorite YouTube channel. Let's see today's case. Today's case is a very good examination question. Make sure you watch till the end. A 65 years old female presented with pain and swelling of bilateral hands. This is the anteroposterior erect chest radiograph of this patient. Now, observe carefully and think, what are your findings? Then compare your findings with rest of the case discussion. By this method, you will achieve a good outcome from our videos. Now we will see what are the findings in this case. Well, there are many important radiological findings in this case. I hope you got them all. First, at the right base, the appearance is suggestive of free subdiaphragmatic gas. Also, there is a rounded mass measuring approximately 3 cm projected over the right heart border. And you can clearly see the left breast shadow is absent. Therefore, we can come to a conclusion that there has been a left mastectomy. As you can nicely see, there are skin staples that are projected over the left shoulder, and there has been an internal fixation of the left humerus with an intramedullary nail, most probably recently. The lungs are otherwise clear. There is no mediastinal lymphadenopathy and there is no fracture or bone destruction is visible. So now, what is your final diagnosis? Here the diagnosis is pneumoperitoneum and metastatic breast cancer with right lung metastasis and also previous left mastectomy and recent internal fixation of a pathological humeral fracture. Now let us discuss some key features of a case like this. Consider previous breast surgery on all female chest radiographs including bilateral mastectomy if other findings suggest disseminated breast CA. Also, look carefully for evidence of a mastectomy, asymmetry of the breast contour, surgical clips from an axillary clearance, or implants, and also evidence of breast reconstruction. Please ensure that you know how to correctly display the films. Also, assess for the presence of a mass, any architectural distortion, asymmetrical density, and also microcalcifications. Please make sure you know how to interpret mammograms also. So this is the end of today's case. Please like and comment below what you think of us. Your comments and feedbacks are very important in our future work. Also, please comment below what are the areas that you need to cover in our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you'll get a notification when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.